The Scudo S8 double-door quadrant shower enclosure 900x900 maximizes bathroom space while remaining beautiful thanks to its space-saving corner placement. The elegant sliding action of the double doors ensures easy access while you glide into an experience of total bliss. Say goodbye to time-consuming cleaning schedules. The coated glass has been specially engineered to repel soap residue, grime, and limescale, making cleaning a breeze. Furthermore, because of its rounded, soft shape, there is less glass to clean than in the conventional square enclosure. Less cleaning time means more time for self-care. With the Scudo S8 double-door quadrant shower enclosure, you can turn any shower into a beautiful getaway. Feel the perfect balance of style and comfort for yourself. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo Shower Enclosure range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.